Hey guys, I'm back. We are on Eafengrow Part 2. Aiden has already pre-selected the knives we're going to look at today. So we've got another zero tolerance. I don't want to say clone, I don't want to say copy, but it is what it is. And then the newest Eafengrow that I've got for this series, which actually arrived just a day ago, which is the beefiest, biggest, most tactical. Yeah, I use that word. One of the bunch, which might be my favorite, though. We'll take a look at it. So I'll put all the information, including their model numbers and everything as we go. So you remember in part 1, both knives came in those nice, furry little line pouches. These ones, you just come in boxes with no lining, nothing, just boxes. So interesting. I want to save the big, fat, tactical guy for last. So let's look at the ZT Wannabe, because that rhymes. So this is a really nice design. Again, because this is a zero tolerance design. This is another one that's available in multiple colors. I chose jade because I'm a sucker for jade, and like they did with the last one we looked at, anodized metal parts, which are cool. So you've got the blue anodized pivot and an anodized back spacer instead of G10, and this is really nice looking as well. It has the same kind of finish as the last one, so light texture. Now I don't think, can you see it? It's like CNC machine. It's got a great texture on it. It's very light, but it still gives you grip, which is good. Thin, skinny, sort of a deep carry clip, which is cool. Beautiful blade, really nice finishing. Once again, kind of has that look that you would expect from a high-end knife. D2 blade, or so they say. We'll take their word for it. Another one of those inset liner locks, and great early lockup. You can see right there, and again, that was not good. Ooh, did you guys see that? That does not bode well. Well, I was just about to say good things about this one, but looks like a little bit of pressure breaks that lock pretty easily. Look at that. Let's see if that helps. Nope. So, and it doesn't even take that much to break the lock on that. Hitting it on my hand, it doesn't even have to be the table. And I almost cut myself there for you guys. So, look at that. That's disappointing because I had hopes for this one. I like this one. So, not a very good lock at all. What say you, Eafengrow? So, see, that lock is fully engaged. It's like 100%. Like the lock is on the blade. It's not even like the lock is not fully sitting on the blade. It just doesn't hold. Well, that's disappointing. So, okay, from my point of view, this knife is utterly useless now. No matter how good it looks, it's a collection piece, and that's all it can ever be. And if you're going to get a collection piece, get the real thing that's going to be worth money over time, if it's just going to be sitting in your collection. I mean, I guess for some general EDC purposes, you could carry this knife, but it's worthless. If you can't trust that lock to hold solid throughout any kind of daily activity, you can't trust this knife. This knife is a danger to you and others. That's really sad. We might as well finish looking at it, though. There it is. See it? We're finished. That's disappointing. We'll test the blade out, though, when we get to it. That's really disappointing. All right, well, but you know what? Budget brand. If you want the super high quality, you buy the original ZT. So let's take a look at this big bad boy, though. First of all, take a look at how thick that blade is, especially in comparison to this one. That is a big chunk of steel. D2 seems to be the new hot thing in Chinese knives, or claiming it's D2. I spoke about this in the last video. A little bit of talk all around the internet that maybe they're saying it's D2 and it's not really D2, and we really have no way to know if it's truly D2 or not, but they like to say it's D2. So this is their imitation axis lock. Centering is perfect. Their fit and finish work so far has been outstanding with Eafengrow. I am concerned about this clip. Look at the clip. It doesn't fully really engage. I'm going to put it in my pocket for a minute. That does not hold in a pocket at all. Now, you know what though? You can fix that. You can bend a clip. That's not that hard to fix, but just when I'm giving compliments for fit and finish, right? And it's disappointing because the last video, the knives did so well. Another interesting point here is, look like anything's missing to you guys? Take a look. Think about every knife you've ever seen with an axis lock. How about a thumb stud? How about some way to open the knife? I guess you've got this fuller in here, but that's not the way I mean, it works, but that's not the way I would traditionally open and close a knife. Wow, okay. So, see, my finger slipped right there. But all right, so is this on bearings? Oh, I can't tell. I'll have to put the information in from the product specs. If it's on bearings, it's kind of gritty. But that is a big blade, and it's got a very nice finish to it. It's got a very, very subdued stonewash. I really like that finish. I don't mind the logo. It's not big, it's not gaudy. Stamp D2 on the other side. You know what I like about this one? It's very simple. This is the kind of knife that, again, so it's not like black coated, and I don't think that in uniform every knife had to be black coated or anything like to be a knife I'd carry in uniform. I'm not going to use the T word, but this is a knife I would carry in uniform. It's simple, it's not flashy, it's not Rambo-esque, but it seems like the kind of knife that would get the job done. I would love to have a thumb stud though. Would be like awesome on this. This does remind me a little bit of a Benchmade 710, just a little bit. Just in general, not, you know, I'm not saying they copied it or anything. But size-wise, for big hands, great. Very big, thick, sturdy blade. I think that this is the kind of knife, also, that I'd be likely to carry. From our last video, I forgot, is it the 0754, I think I said I'm likely to carry? This is a knife I'm also likely to carry. This is a knife I think that has some real good practicality in it. And the lock doesn't just break on you. Yay! Let's get to some cutting though. Curious, see how this big blade does. Feels pretty sharp. That's not good. There we go. It's a pretty decent blade. I love that finish. I really love that finish. So I think, you know, Eafengrow tries to satisfy customers by having multiple looks, multiple models. I guess they can't all be winners. This one's also available in a jade. It was hard to resist the jade. I picked black because I figured, you know, they use the tactical word in the advertisement, but figured black would be the appropriate scale color for this one with what they say it's for. Let's give this one a try. Wait, is it locked? It's locked. Oh, see, it's a shame, man. The blade is finished. Gorgeous. I mean, look at that. It's too bad I can't trust it to stay closed and locked. Sorry. It's too bad I can't trust it to stay open and locked on me when I'm using it. Super comfortable handle. Great shape. It looks beautiful, but... Oh, now it's not doing it? Now it's not doing it. Did you get embarrassed? Ow. That time it did it, and it actually cut me. So that's the point right there. Ooh, look at that. That's a good one, guys. Take a look at that. It's not bleeding yet. Is that gross? Is that grossing you guys out? I'll steri strip it, it'll be fine. It's just, like I said, a knife that you can't count on is a useless knife. It's unreliable. It has no purpose in a pocket. None whatsoever. So, just no purpose whatsoever. By the way, this was dumb. This was bad safety. Let that be a lesson to you guys. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Yeah, I'll take care of this as soon as the video's over. Cord test. Nice clean cuts. Like butter. What are you doing over there, Ethan?
I'm wiping myself.
You're wiping yourself?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
It's good to be a clean boy.
Yeah.
And this blade is a great blade, too. I'm so upset with it.
Daddy,
What?
I want to eat.
You want a treat? Did you see the clean cut that it put in my finger? It's a great blade. But it's an unreliable knife. So, you know, obviously, if I'm going to pick a winner in this match, it's going to be this guy right here. It goes without saying. But, anyway. So, yeah. So, we made a good PSA for knife safety today. And not intentionally making your knife locks fail. Totally did this on purpose for you guys. Look what a clean cut that is. It would have been such a good blade to be able to carry. This guy is definitely going to be spending some pocket time, though, for sure. And is going to be in competition with the 0754. I really like this. I'm going to have to modify the clip a little bit. Just going to have to put a little bit of a bend in there so it holds into the pocket good. But he is definitely going to get some well-deserved time in the pocket. I can't wait to try this one out. And this is something that I don't just think has some good UCDC. I mean, I think this is has enough heft for camping and field use and stuff like that too. So, looking forward to that. Anyway, all right, guys. So we got one more of these videos to go. There's only 2 knives left, so I guess we know which ones we'll be seeing in the next one. But you guys are awesome. Sometimes I'm an idiot. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll be back again real soon.